Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Nord and I'm going to show you how we can get the Fortnite on this device. So when we enter the Play Store and type Fortnite, we cannot find here this game because it was removed from the Play Store. So right now you have to go for your browser, tap on the search pool, and right here you have to type the APK Pure and enter the apkpure.com website. We can find here the APK file to install the Fortnite. So click on the search pool and type here Fortnite. Get this application from the Epic Games and tap to download all the Epic Games. Click right here and click download. Right now we can open it. Click install, tap on the open, and just pick up the Fortnite picture, click install, and right now our launcher is downloading. Click settings, use the switcher to allow install apps from the source, go back, click install one more time, and tap on the open, click continue, click OK, tap to find my account, or if you don't have the account on the Epic Games you have to create. And we have a lot of methods to log in. I'm going to select with the Google. And right now we have to input your email and also the password. So I'm going to pick up mine. And now just wait until the launcher pop-ups on our screen. And right now just tap on the install. And we have to wait until it finishes download, so be patient and just wait a little bit. Okay, right now the game is loading. Okay, you can skip this video and check if the game is working properly. And as you can see, the game is working. So that's how we can get it on your OnePlus Nord. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!